Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, or evening, whenever you are watching this. Today, I will be making cookies and cream cookies. One of, the kids in my youth group's moms used to always make these for worship practice, and I haven't had them in, a very, very long time, so here's hoping that they actually taste like anything that she's ever made. I found the recipe on Pinterest, like always, so I will be trying to do that today. So, the ingredients you will be needing for this are um, vanilla cake mix, Oreos, 2 cups of chopped Oreos, regular milk chocolate chips. These are the white chocolate chips. And so, regular and white chocolate chips, 1 egg, 8 tablespoons of butter, which is just a whole stick, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. And I almost completely forgot, but you will also be needing vanilla extract. Okay, so in here, I just added the cream cheese, the vanilla, egg, and the butter, as well as the cake mix. So now, all you have to do is mix it all together until it forms a soft dough. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better now, but I have it mixed up. It looks pretty soft, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna keep mixing it a little bit more because there's a few places where I could still see the cream cheese, and I don't want that. But next I have to crush 2 cups of Oreos. The best way that I recommend this is putting them into a Ziploc bag, sealing it, obviously, so it doesn't fall out. Not sponsored by Ziploc. And either rolling it with a rolling pin or even a wine bottle if you have one of those laying around. Just make sure you don't break it. Okay, so I still have to hold this up with a single hand, but I just wanted you guys to see what exactly I'm doing. So I'm just rolling it like this. Just kidding. That's not doing anything. We'll do this. That works a little bit better. So I'm going to move this over to the side. Bring this back. So in here you need to put half a cup of the white chocolate chips as well as half a cup of the regular chocolate chips and the crushed up Oreos. You're supposed to mix it by hand, but since I have pretty long nails, that's not going to be an option for me. So I'm going to mix it in with a wooden spoon because I feel like it will be much more sanitary if things don't get stuck underneath my nails. I'm assuming that this is what it's supposed to look like, and it smells really, really good. I'm excited to bake it and try it. So now that you have your mixture all done, the recipe says that you need to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. And then, well, we'll do that. I don't know the exact reason why it says to do that, but yeah, keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. By the time that I come back, I will look a little bit different than this because I'm going to go put makeup on right now. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. What is good? So it has been an hour. I just took them out of the fridge. So next you need to separate them into 24 little balls and put them into the oven, which is preheating right now to 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Or if you want to, you can make 36 instead and put them in the oven for 9 minutes. I think I'm going to make 24 because I don't know. I'll see how much batter I end up having, and that'll determine how much I make and how long I put it in for. So I just took them out of the oven. So now it says that I have to wait 2 minutes for them to cool down a little bit and then flatten them with a spatula. That's what it says to do. And they're also like a little bit gooey, but it also says that they're supposed to be like that just so they remain soft, which slightly worries me. So they look hella bomb, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna try one now before I go to class. They're still like a little bit warm, but you know, whatever. They're like a little too sweet for my liking. They're not bad. Great.
Another bakery.
1 second, I'm chewing.
Oh my god.
Would you like to go?
Yes. Wait, I want to go at the same time.
Okay, let me follow. Don't rush the chewing.
Faster.
I'm gonna choke.
That's okay. Come on. Alright, grab one.
Wait.
Anthony wants to
Hurry
go
up, Aunt.
Hurry up. Alright, ready?
What's up?
3,
Add me on Snapchat at Gabe Kulik.
3, 2, 1. Oh, wow.
I need a solid rating out of 10, thanks.
Wow.
Rating out of 10?
Out 10?
Yeah.
This is an 11.
Oh wow,
might be
thanks.
100.
Wow.
He looked
He never tried Mrs. Pagan's. That's why.
I've tried Mrs. Pagans.
Thanks, man.
You need to be Kyle.
I'm on these Momofuku videos.
I've tried Mrs. Pagans, but this is like,
What are those videos called?
wow.
Mukbang?
Mukbang.
Momofuku.
Momofuku videos.
This is, wait, I need to get my, wait.
Take it.
It's chewy. It's tasty.
The flavor explodes.
really
The flavor
It's a
explodes in your
first.
mouth.
Oh,
Yes, on your palate. All of my taste buds,
This is,
the ones at the front, the back.
I feel like,
Can we get a zoom?
Can we zoom in? Look at that. Nice
Like,
texture.
do you see this?
Gradient.
That's
Oh.
a white chocolate piece with a chocolate piece with a cookie
It's like
and cream.
it's like
And it is a cookie.
all the races, right? In one cookie.
this is,
It's a multi.
Rating out of 10?
100.
Oh wow.
out of 10.
Any friends?
I'm always ready. Let me cleanse the palate.
See, that's exactly.
Just kidding. Yeah, you have to clean your palate first. This one looks the most appetizing to me.
I had to tell you something, and I totally forgot. I know. I feel like I have like a
Okay, I have to get a good bite. I had to get one of everything ready. Hal gave me a piece. I had to have
Wow. Fake friends.
it. So good.
That's healed?
Very good.
Rating out of 10, ladies?
God. That was rough. I cried.
Yeah, a good 10. It's a nice texture too, you know. Not it's very soft, but not like too mushy, you know.
Did you see the two jars before?
I mean, I don't even have. Do I like bite into it? Or
Yeah. Do whatever you want.
whatever? Like,
I'm giving you creative liberties.
they're good. They're like a little undercooked, which I like.
It's actually cake batter.
Really?
Yeah.
It does taste like it now that you said that.
It's vanilla cake.
It was very good. As a baker, I approve.
I'll give it a solid.
It's a solid 10.
Oh, heck yeah.
This is a 10 scale, not a Richter scale? Okay. Solid 10.2 out of 10. Not the full 10.5, but 10.2.
All right. Elena, would you like one?
I'm not, though.
No, she's lactose intolerant. She can't have cream.
Remember when Gabe said he was lactose intolerant?
Lactate intolerant?
Oh, lactate.
Whatever.
I'm getting my water right. I'm starting to do
Add me on Snap, at Gabe Kool-Aid.
Cause like I don't really like, want to put down. I just want to get.
We have a
These are good. Do you put actual Oreos in here?
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm glad. Out of 10.
Like I've been like.
Solid 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Johnson?
I might put them like above God. I haven't had Pagans in a long time.
It's okay.
But this summer when I'm at like my summer program,
It looks nice.
Okay.
Buy groceries.
Visual.
Go to my
Good weight.
Yeah.
She'll like be able to teach me. I have a summer research program.
Are you staying in school?
Rating out of 10. What is it? Okay. That.
This out of 10.
Okay.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Momofuku.
It's good.
Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh,
11
heck
on
yeah.
Snapchat at Gabe Cool.